Imagine your future. Imagine our future. Imagine the future of Europe. Over the coming months, the Conference on the Future of Europe is your chance to share ideas on what that future will look like. 27 countries, 9 themes, 1 goal, to give you the power to shape our future. From climate change to migration, democracy to the digital transition, it's the biggest ever consultation of its kind. Come and share your ideas on the multilingual digital platform and debate with other Europeans. Take part in one of hundreds of events in person or online. Or why not organise your own grassroots event in your community? Your ideas, submitted on the platform and formulated at events, will be examined by citizens' panels before being presented to and discussed by your representatives. The conference's executive board will then present the results to the 3 EU institutions, which will use them to make concrete EU policy proposals, policy based on the hopes and ideas of Europeans. Visit futureeu.europa.eu and get started today.